Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to customize your background on your video by CapCut application. So you already opened my CapCut application, and let's do a new project. And now I would like to use the stock video that provided by the CapCut, and let's find out the video that have a clear object on it so that it will be easier to customize the background. Okay, let's see. We already find it, so I think I will let you go with this, and then just go click add. And after that, we need to remove this background. First you just need to click the clip, and after that scrolling this tools into the left side until we found a cutout. Just click it, and there will be the option pop up here. Just need to click remove background, and we need to wait until the process is 100% applied on the video. So the process will be depends on the length of the video. The longer the video that you have, that will be also the longer time the process will be take. Almost there. Okay, hold on. And now it's complete. When it's complete, you just need to go click done to complete the process. And now you just need to go back into the first features, or the first, then we just need to like scrolling these features into the left side until we found canvas. And this canvas, you can just need to go click a background so that you will have an access to add the background from your phone storage, or there will be also several options here that probably you can use. So you just need to explore it by yourself. Find out which background that satisfies you, and after you find it already, you just need to go click done. And don't forget to have a test for the results. And now you can see we already customized the background of this video. So that's the way how to customize the background video on a CapCut. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.